Good, everyone. What are the 5 signs that your electrical contracting business is going to be severely challenged financially? The first sign would be if in paying your statutory payments like salaries, tax, etc., you're finding challenges where that's unable to be paid. If you can't pay your statutory payments, as I said, salaries, super, tax, how will you be able to pay your suppliers, etc.? The second aspect is, are you having a regular stream of income through sales that are coming in through the door, either through someone who's responsible only for sales, that is doing that on a regular basis, or is the money coming in large chunks through the year at 1 or 2 or 3 times during the year? Because if for whatever reason that aspect of it coming in 2 or 3 times during the year suddenly stops, you've then got a huge overhead of 3, 5, 7 staff at $10,000 a month, burning a huge hole in your pocket. The third aspect would be, have you done enough due diligence on your customers to know that with the work that you've done, you will guaranteed get paid? Because if you take on board customers who are themselves a credit risk, if they delay payment to you or if they go bankrupt, how will it affect your survival, given that you, in that electrical contracting business, would have done at least a portion of the work, if not all of it, and then are relying on the payment which won't come through? The fourth aspect of that is, do you have a large concentration of that business with 1 or 2 very large customers who, should they decide to leave or should they decide to turn the screws on you, because they've got a very strong negotiating ability to do that? So if your concentration of customers is very, very high, again, that's an aspect and a risk that you are carrying. And the fifth aspect is, do you even have a handle on how your cash inflows and outflows are being matched over the short, medium to long term? So even if you have any of the aspects that I've conveyed, your medium-term cash outflows can be managed with a loan, hopefully at an interest rate which is way smaller than the margin that you're earning, so that any cash outflows in the medium term can be matched against the loan or inflows. But if you don't have that in place as a facility, then you may find that not only will your creditors come knocking on your door, but they may well, I guess, flag you as a default, which can affect your ability to get loans, and get a business in future.